In this modern era, all our living style has been changing and even costs are increasing day by day with those changes, but with a few advanced technologies can support us to decrease our daily expenses. In such advanced technologies, hoverboards are one of the best examples that decreases the cost of living. These hoverboards and self-balancing scooters run through the rechargeable battery and can travel anywhere in your city, such as shopping, park when going to the gym or to your workspace, etc. There are plenty of advantages by using these self-balancing hoverboards. These hoverboards run with a rechargeable battery and no need to use any oil like petrol, diesel, etc. In two different ways, these devices are very eco-friendly. First of all, they don't release any poisonous gases as other vehicles do. Even though there are plenty of benefits to this smart device, still the price is very affordable to everyone. Here are the 5 best hoverboards you should consider if you are in the market for your own self-balancing scooter.
Here top of zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative product ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guideline so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
EpicGo is a brand that delivers beautifully designed and rugged hoverboards. The EpicGo self-balancing scooter can run for an hour and take you as much as 10 miles from your starting point. That is double what most hoverboards can do. The hoverboard's motors grant you to climb steep hills and streets like a champ. It can also climb slopes which are up to 18 degrees steep. The 400-watt motor on both the wheels is more powerful compared to competing models. Unlike other self-balancing scooters, the tires of this EpicGo are made from solid rubber. That is another reason why it is classified as a certified all-terrain model. The EpicGo's larger than average 8.5-inch tires are more than capable of handling both wet and dry conditions, the scooter itself being rated IP56 for water and dust resistance. The EpicGo Classic proves that there is at least one hoverboard on the market that can successfully walk the line between outdoor capabilities and fun factor. Overall, if you happen to be an urban dweller who lives near the office, this can actually be your commute vehicle. The Segway Ninebot S smart self-balancing electric scooter is a very versatile Segway. This electric scooter is suitable for a wide range of riders from ages 16 to 50 years old. Because of the steering column, it handles differently than typical hoverboards. You turn by squeezing your legs together and applying pressure to turn that may be easier for riders inexperienced with ordinary hoverboards. It has a smooth ride thanks to large 10.5-inch pneumatic tires and can go up to about 13.7 miles on a charge. And you can climb inclines of up to 15 degrees too. It is small and portable, weighing just 28 pounds. The Segway Ninebot S is powered by two 400-watt motors with a max motor power of 1600 watt, allowing riders to easily reach a maximum speed of 10 meters per hour. Kids and adults like maximum load of 220 pounds by 99.7 kilograms. Thanks to its innovative knee control bar, this hoverboard is a must-have for children and also adults, as it is suitable for a number of heights. Overall, if you are looking for a high-performance, no-frills hoverboard for off-pavement shredding or routine commuting, then look no further than the Segway Ninebot S. If you are headed into Target soon, be on the lookout for the VIRO Freestyle hoverboard. Back in 2014, a company called One Wheel pioneered a hoverboard with a unique lone wheel from factor taking after its namesake. The hoverboard is an evolution of the design, featuring two side-by-side central wheels instead of one. Riding the Freestyle might appear akin to skateboarding, but the experience really feels more like snowboarding. With one foot or either side of the central wheels, you lean in all four directions to accelerate, slow down and turn. The large central tires have a cover for safety, but also displays a handy dashboard with your current speed and battery level. You can ride up to about 6.5 miles on a charge at a maximum speed of 7 meters per hour, and it can accommodate riders up to 220 pounds. Its LED digital display makes it easy to monitor speed and battery usage on the go. Also, the wheel is split into two parallel airless tires that spins around a motorized axle. It is even possible to connect Bluetooth to listen to music as you ride. In a market crowded with companies selling hoverboards, Swagtron is one of the best-known brands and a good default choice for safe, reliable, and well-designed hoverboards. It's an awesome choice for a starter hoverboard because it has two distinct riding modes, a conservative one that limits speed and handling when you develop your hover legs, and an advanced mode that removes the board's limitations so you can ride faster and perform tricks. In line with safety, this board is UL 2272 certified. That means that the battery and motor system has been thoroughly tested. Also, this board has a Sentry-Shield battery casing and battery management system. Lighter than many similar hoverboards at just 23 pounds, the Swagboard Pro T1 can go up to about 12 miles on a charge and can accommodate riders up to 220 pounds. Overall, the Swagtron T1 hoverboard is best for kids and if you are an adult who is still learning the basics of hoverboarding. Not a lot distinguishes hoverboards intended for kids and adults. After all, they are mainly intended for recreation, so they are pricey toys even for adults. For those who plan to ride primarily on flat surfaces, the Tomalu delivers a smooth, stable ride. You will also get safety certification for your peace of mind, adding a fire retardant shell. It is available in a conservative black or much more stylish cotton candy blue, and it has a ring of RGB LEDs around the wheel and embedded into the front and rear grills. In other words, this hoverboard is colorful. It also has Bluetooth speakers to blast music when you ride. The Tomalu hoverboard can only accommodate up to 165 pounds, but weighing in under 18 pounds, it is also light enough for kids to carry around. It is fast with lots of extra features like Bluetooth speakers, customizable LEDs, and a mobile app that kids will love. Overall, if you go for full output, the performance is impressive and the ride smooth.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.